Hi, I'm John Parker with Parker Cornea, and we've had a lot of questions about what is ICL surgery, how do you do it, what can I expect? And I just wanted to share an operation with you and kind of answer any questions you might have. So this is somebody in our office who's about a -11 or -12 and making a couple little incisions here. And you may say, well, gosh, doesn't that hurt and why is it bleeding? And the answer is that no, it really doesn't hurt. The eye's completely numb just from drops. And these incisions, we like them to bleed just a little bit because we want to have the healing effect of the blood. So these are little, very tiny. This big one is about 2.5, 3 millimeters. And what we would like to do is have a little bit of blood at the incision so things heal up just completely. Now this is the lens. It's kind of like a contact lens that's custom sized for this patient, and we just put a little saline in the eye with this device, and then we can just put this contact lens in the eye. And the contact lens is something that you don't see or feel. In fact, it's really hard to see this lens even with a microscope after the surgery. Now right now the lens is in front of the iris towards the top of the picture, but we're going to just tuck it right underneath the iris so that it's completely behind the iris and in the place where the natural lens is. So it's just like wearing a contact lens in your eye on top of your lens. And so this is the whole surgery. And you may say, well, what about stitches? Don't I have to have some stitches? No, there are no stitches. This is just some saline. We're hydrating these wounds and they're going to be watertight. So this is pretty much the end of the surgery. It's been sped up here, taking about 2 minutes, and actually the surgery took about 4. But it's a procedure we do in the office. It's quite comfortable because most of the work's on the inside of the eye, and this lens doesn't wear out. It's something that will stay in your eye and something you don't have to fool with. So this patient is very happy. They're not having to fool with that big prescription they had. And we certainly appreciate you watching with us. Thank you.